In this series of recordings, we'll be talking about face geometries or surface geometries and model geometries. What is a surface geometry? Surface geometry is picking a specific surface that you want the toolpath to work on. This is used in HSS. It's used also in multi-axis machining, and it's even used in HSR and HSM to define a specific boundary. Let's see how this works. I'll click on Drive Surface, which is a surface that I want to work on. And in this particular case, I'm using HSS. So pick that. And by simply clicking on a surface, it will automatically take that surface to work on. Click on this surface, it'll take that surface as well. Click on this one. All of those surfaces are surfaces that can be worked on. If I were to take one of them, right click, I can also unselect a specific surface that I do not want to work on. Now, you'll note that above this, we have something called show direction of highlighted faces only and show direction of selected faces. If I click on show direction of selected faces, you'll see it will show the direction of all the faces that I picked. In this particular case, it shows this surface and that surface. Those two faces are the faces that I picked, and you can see that the arrows are pointing out. Now, when they're picked on the model, they're usually pointing out. But you have certain times, certain cases where this is not part of the model, or it is a surface-based model, and sometimes a surface will be going in the opposite direction. To flip the direction, all you do is right-click on one of the faces that we have, and we have the option of reverse or even reverse all. Clicking on reverse all will reverse the direction of the arrow. Again, right-clicking on it, and again reverse all will bring it back to its original direction. Now, we also have the option of picking by a specific color. If we take a look on the part, and I'll get rid of all what I've done up until now by unselecting all, you'll see that we have one area that has a specific color. And I want to pick all of those faces in one shot, and I can do that by picking a specific color. We have here by color. I can go to define and find that color, or I can just click on pick from the model and it'll pick the color from the model. Note when I pick on that, that color will appear in my red, green, blue area. Now when I do find faces, it'll find every single face that has that color without me having to go through and picking each one of them.